How early is too early to start investing with Acorns? That's the question we get asked all the time. We all know that saving for the future is important, but figuring out when to actually jump into the investment game can feel like a major puzzle. Well, here's the quick answer. The best age to start investing is right now, no matter how old you are. But let's look at the specifics when it comes to a platform like Acorns. The age requirement. For a standard Acorns Invest account, meaning one that you open for yourself, you must be 18 years or older and a U.S. resident. This isn't just an Acorns rule, it's a legal requirement for opening most brokerage accounts because you have to be old enough to legally enter into a contract. If you're 18, you're officially at the prime starting age. The advantage of starting in your late teens or early 20s is time. That's your most powerful asset. Investing even small amounts, thanks to Acorns' roundups feature, gives your money decades to benefit from compound interest. That's when your earnings start generating their own earnings, creating a snowball effect. A small investment made at 18 has the potential to grow much more than a larger one made at 30, simply because it had more time in the market. Investing for the next generation. But what if you want to start investing for a child or a younger person who isn't 18 yet? That's where Acorns Early comes in. Acorns Early is a custodial investment account, specifically a UTMA/UGMA, that an adult, like a parent or guardian, opens and manages for a child. There's no minimum age for the child. You can open an Acorns Early account for a child in your life as soon as they're born. This is an incredible tool for long-term savings. The money grows under the child's name, but the custodian controls the investments until the child reaches the age of transfer, which is typically 18 or 21 depending on your state. These funds can then be used for anything that directly benefits the child, like education, starting a business, or even just getting a jump start on their adult life. Don't wait for perfection. So, whether you're 18 and using your own debit card for roundups, or you're an adult setting up an Acorns Early account for a loved one, the common theme is clear. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect amount of money. Acorns is built on the philosophy of micro-investing, making it super easy to put small, consistent amounts to work. Time in the market trumps timing the market. The sooner you start, the greater the potential for growth. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.